Welcome, my friend. Today, we are diving deep into a powerful truth. A truth that has the potential to transform your life. It's a truth that has been passed down through generations, woven into the fabric of successful lives, and endorsed by some of the world's most influential thinkers. You have the power to attract what you want. Yes, I said it, you have the ability to bring your deepest desires into reality, but it starts with a shift in the way you think and believe. Step 1. Believe in the power within you. First and foremost, you must believe in your own power. The mind is a powerful force. It is your tool, your instrument for creation. Everything you see around you, every success, every failure, every moment of joy and sorrow, started as a thought. So, if your mind can create your reality, imagine the endless possibilities if you harness this power. You are not a passive observer in your life. You are an active creator. The universe responds to the energy you put out, and that energy begins with your thoughts. Think about the things you want, not the things you fear or the things you lack. Shift your focus to abundance, to love, to success. Let these be your primary thoughts. Step 2. Visualize your success. Now, close your eyes for a moment and imagine exactly what you want. Picture it in vivid detail. Feel it. Experience it in your mind as though it has already happened. This is the power of visualization. When you can vividly imagine your desires, your subconscious mind starts to accept them as truth. It moves you into action, motivates you, and aligns your energies with your desires. Visualizing isn't just a mental exercise. It's a tool that triggers change in your world. Don't just dream it, feel it. Step 3. Feel the emotions of having it. Attracting what you want isn't just about thinking about it. It's about aligning your emotions with your thoughts. You must feel the joy, the gratitude, the excitement of already having it. Your emotions are the magnet that pulls your desires toward you. Every time you think of your dreams, feel the gratitude as if they've already materialized. That is when the universe begins to notice. That is when the doors of opportunity start to swing open. Emotions create a vibrational frequency, and when that frequency aligns with your desires, it becomes an unstoppable force. Step 4. Take inspired action. The law of attraction isn't about waiting for your dreams to fall into your lap. It's about taking inspired action. When you begin to align your thoughts and emotions with your desires, opportunities will arise, and they will often come in unexpected forms. Be ready to take action, even when it feels scary or uncertain. Trust that each step you take is bringing you closer to what you visualized. Every moment is an opportunity to move forward. Remember, the universe will meet you halfway, but you must be willing to take that first step. Step 5. Trust the process and let go. Finally, trust the process. Let go of doubt and fear. The moment you release control and stop obsessing over how things will unfold, you open the door for the universe to work its magic. When you trust, you release resistance. This allows things to flow effortlessly into your life. Trust that everything is happening for you, not against you. Every challenge, every setback, is simply guiding you closer to your goal. You are worthy of receiving everything you desire, and you are already on the path to attracting it. So, my friend, you have everything you need right now to start attracting what you want. Believe in your power, visualize your dreams, feel the emotions of having them, take inspired action, and trust the process. As you begin to implement these steps, remember, this is not a one-time thing. This is a way of life. Stay consistent, stay focused, and watch how your desires begin to flow toward you. The universe is always listening. Now go ahead and claim what is yours. You were born for greatness. If you enjoyed this message and want more content like this to guide you on your journey, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on powerful insights. Let's manifest our dreams together.